Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So I have been gone for quite some time, and there's a valid reason for that. So literally as soon as I recorded my last few videos, I found out that I was expecting, and I've been quite sick from that, so I've just been taking the time to rest and be with my family and things like that. So I'm starting to now feel a little bit better, and I thought I would come on the channel and update you all where I've been, what's going on, and take the channel to the direction that I really was hoping that it would go. So I hope that you all are sticking with me still. There is a lot going on in my life now, especially with the addition and trying to juggle having a 1-year-old and also expecting and all the things. So I still want to be able to share as far as the direction of this channel now. With that being said, is I would love to continue to share house updates, and we're still making those, not as much of a priority as before in terms of frequency that they're occurring, but they still are. I actually have a few home updates to share now, well, soon. But I would also love to share my experience now embarking on being a mother of 2. And so to share kind of like a more realistic part of my life, trying to juggle and balance all the things that I carry, so all these different hats. And I hope that you all are all down for that. So as I am currently recording this video, I am 13 weeks and 1 day along. So I'm now in the 2nd trimester, or is it? I'm officially in the 2nd trimester. So I hope it's looking up from here compared to how it was earlier on. So yeah, I think it's starting to get my energy back a little bit more. Not 100%, but definitely major upgrade from where I was at. So, and yeah, I want to show you all to my bump so far, and show you that. Okay. Yes, and if you have any questions so far about anything that I've shared, please leave them in the comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. And especially like if you are a mother yourself, and specifically mother of 2 or more, please leave any advice or words of encouragement in the comments as well. I would love to hear that. I would love to learn about your experience, hear any advice that you have on the transition. And yeah, I think by the time that our child will be born, my daughter and the baby will be 2 years and 2 months apart. So very close to being 2 under 2, and it is quite a lot. And I do have some ideas myself on how I'm going to plan on transitioning into it, especially some of the things that worked for me last time in my postpartum experience, and how I'm planning on navigating this postpartum to make it the best possible one for me. And probably will do that in a separate video. But yes, and also the constant being out of breath. That is a big one for me right now. Just even if I'm just sitting here just chit-chatting, I'm always out of breath. Yeah, and some of the things that I last recorded and wanted to share with you all was my daughter's room update. And I actually never shared what her room looked like before, so I got to show around a little bit of that. It's not the most decorated room, and actually it's really bare minimum effort. The walls, I didn't do much to them, and just hung up a few things on the walls. And we kind of just like added a few things and spruced it up a little bit. So I will insert a clip of that at some point in the video. And I also want to show around like some of the things that I've added for Christmas around my house. So those, that's coming in this video as well. As you can see, I have this great tree here. This is actually the viral Home Depot tree, the Grand Duchess. I will link that below. I absolutely love it. My daughter loves it. It was the cutest thing ever. So sweet, warmed my heart, and it's really just, it was very special because although this is not her first Christmas, last year was, but she was so little that now it feels like we're experiencing Christmas with her for the very first time again, because she's more aware, she's more interactive, and she can speak a bit more. So yeah, it's been very special. So with this tree, I actually paired it with these tree skirt or basket from Target, and I've had it for several years, and it just felt transitioned throughout all the different stages of my homes or places that I've lived before, and because it's so neutral that it just always fit wherever I go, so why change it? But this year I also, it's actually December 16th and I have yet to decorate my tree because I've been so sick. So yeah, and I am hoping to do a little something before next week. So because I did buy the decorations, I just never got around to actually adding them on the tree. And I will do that this evening, hopefully, and also walk you through some of these decorations that I've added here and share any additional moments as throughout this vlog as I can. So to start, I'm gonna show you guys what my daughter's room looks like now. Just a quick tour of it. I'm not gonna show, she has a walk-in closet, but I'm not gonna show that today because it's a mess. But the rest of the room, I'm gonna show you what that looks like before we do anything else to it. So this is, behind me you have her door, and so from the turning around, from the moment you walk in, you see the entire room. I switched out her lighting. Well, my husband did that. We chose that after we moved in. And so over here, this is like her closet, but like I said, we're not gonna go there. So here, this is IKEA dresser that I bought. I think it's perfect height if you're trying to change, like if you have your child up on top and trying to change diapers, because it's not too low to the ground. So I think this is perfect for that. And we just have a couple things on there. So over here, this is where the reading nook is happening. So we have all her stuffed animals. So I've already added some stuff, like I said. So you have the built-in shelf. I got this from Amazon. I can link it too. And she has a lot of, she loves to read. That's her favorite thing to do. At night, we have to like put a hard stop at 5 books because she'll keep selecting for more. And so this banner here, I really like it. It's from Amazon. And then these clear shelves are also from Amazon. This was from her first birthday. I added that there as decoration. And this here is from Etsy. She loves bags and shoes and books. So, so she has her purse here. These curtains are the same as what I have in my living room. And we have a Dyson running because this room is a little bit colder compared to the rest of the house. This side table, I think I got it from Target. And the lamp is from, I think, World Market or Hobby Lobby. I can look into that. But then I also added this here on there. I think this is separate. We got a hatch, an Alexa. So this is the crib that we're gonna convert into a toddler bed. And the rug is from Wayfair. Over there is her, humidifier, diffuser, and also some wall art. Right. So we have our wall art. I didn't do much to the room, honestly, because I wasn't sure what I wanted to commit to. So I just left it until I actually could figure it out. Yeah, this is as much as I did so far. So we're just gonna add more build onto this nook. I have some frames that I want to add and somewhere for her to sit. I want to get her a chair. I think that's probably gonna be a Christmas gift. One of those like comfy lounge chairs for toddlers. But for now I have a mat that I'm gonna add, and yeah. So I'm gonna show now a little quick tour of what I have for Christmas, and it's not much at all. Like I said before, it's been challenging to really go all out as I wanted to because I haven't been feeling well. So I've just really kept it very minimal, and yeah, I just actually added these ornaments just now. So yeah, I'll just show you guys a few things. I can start here with the mantle. So I got this garland actually from Kirkland. It was on sale. I think it could have been decorated a little bit more, but I was not in the mood. And stockings from Target, I've had them forever. And this little guy from Target as well. I added another one here, and this I really like. It's from probably Michael's. I don't remember, but okay. So this is our tree. I added a lot of browns and bronzy and gold touches to it, and there were more that I wanted to add, some ribbons as well, but they never came in the mail, so that's I can't do that. But yeah, I feel like it's really cozy enough for trying to keep it simple and light, or not trying to do too much, but yeah, really like it. Now we can look at the entryway, and this is what it's looking like. So we have these stems in here with that's from Kirkland, and I also have like branches on them also from Amazon. And yeah, so this was from Kirkland. I got it on sale as well. Some knickknacks I have on here from Target. But yeah, so looking like. I really like it. So now we're gonna go into the dining room. And I had this tree from a couple years ago, and I just wanted to add it because it is a nice tree. So I thought I would add it in here. The color scheme I wanted to go for was dark green and black. And there were some ribbons I also wanted to add here that never came in the mail. I also realized that I ordered these ornaments, and they're so tiny. If you see in my hand, comparison, it's so tiny. I'm like, this makes no sense. But if you compare, like, this is like, I feel like a standard size ornament, and this is like, I don't know, a kid's Christmas tree. So yeah, that's really the gist of what I have going on. So I like I said, I was gonna show a tour where some of the things that I was doing in my daughter's room, and then I'll like insert a clip of the final outcome of what I switched up around in her room. And I'll also, if you need anything linked from that, or I'll try to add as much as I can, but if I don't add it, definitely leave that in the comment. I'll add whatever item was in her room in the description box, and if I forget something, let me know. But yeah, so this is all the updates that I have for today. Thank you so much for watching along as far as you did, and I'll try to come in my next video. There will be a house update on the water dispenser and a new project that we recently did, and that one was a treat. So I can't wait to show you all what we recently done in the house. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Stick around for any new videos, and happy holidays.